Multitasking has become the new normal in our fast-paced lives, and Bluetooth earbuds have evolved from being primarily for entertainment to becoming our first assistant for business and social communication. These days, it's common to make calls using earbuds in noisy environments. But how do Bluetooth earbuds accurately reduce extra noises like wind, traffic, crowded sound, and other ambient sounds to ensure clear calls? Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro has introduced its self-developed ENC algorithm, or environmental noise cancellation, to accurately reduce different noises during phone calls. With powerful software and hardware, Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro collects ambient audio, classifies it by audio type and spatial characteristics, and filters out extra noises to keep human voices clear. Let's take a closer look at the process. The talk mic at the bottom of the earbud handle and the feed-forward mic on the earbud handle detect and collect audio with noises. Adaptive beamforming technology initially separates human voices and environmental noises into two channels. Then, Xiaomi's self-developed ENC algorithm processes the two types of audio separately. While we can quickly distinguish between different sounds in our daily lives, it's necessary to train Bluetooth earbuds to distinguish human voices and other sounds. Thanks to Xiaomi's self-developed ENC algorithm, the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro has been well trained to cover various scenarios. Xiaomi's self-developed AI noise cancellation module includes male voices, female voices, the elderly, children, local dialects, more than 2,000 hours of clean voice, and more than 500 hours of noise data. Noise cancellation can be achieved in streets, business districts, subways, and other scenarios. The feed-forward mic on the earbud handle mainly collects and pre-processes external noise, while the feedback mic closest to the earbud speaker collects redundant noise inside the ear. The component in the middle of the two microphones is the VPU, which is the bone conduction sensor in the earbuds. It accurately picks up the wearer's bone conduction information, shields external noise, and enhances the low frequency and human voice while weakening environmental noise. We compared Xiaomi Bud 4 Pro's noise cancellation effect during phone calls with another brand's earbuds in an outdoor environment with 3 to 6 meters per second wind speed. Breezes of 3 to 6 meters per second are common and strong enough to rustle branches. Listen to the difference in noise cancellation between Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro and the other brand's earbuds.
The environment around me is a bit noisy. Can you hear what I'm saying clearly? The environment around me is a bit noisy. Can you hear what I'm saying clearly?
Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro has a more transparent and clear noise cancellation effect in a windy and noisy environment. Thanks to the combination of powerful hardware design and Xiaomi's self-developed ENC algorithm, Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro removes the interference of wind and other noises and easily meets the noise cancellation needs for phone calls and various life scenarios. This ensures the best experience for users and crystal clear phone calls. We will continue to explore technologies that enhance our quality of life.
Xiaomi.